Hi, good morning everyone. Since yesterday, grabe yung ulan and parang may bagyo ata. Hopefully safe kayong lahat. And this is my life lately as a work from home mom. Very thankful kasi na work from home na ako. And medyo tipid-tipid na rin sa fare and hindi masyadong nakakapagod travel every day. And yep, ayan, ito yung situation namin every morning. Usually, very early siyang nagigising, kaya I need to get him na and dalhin dito sa station ko. Mabuti na lang pinabaro kami ng cousin ko ng crib. Manaykor, thank you so much. It's not hard for me. While doing my work, andyan lang siya sa crib. Ayan, maingay lang. Kasi nagsha-shout-shout. Gusto niyang kargahin ko siya and dito siya sa station. Kasi very naughty, pinangbabaklas yung mga wires ng headset at saka keyboard. So, no. Kasi baka magbayad tayo sa company. Hope you have a great day, everyone.